Can you tell me what's causing these strange dark places on my tomatoes? And this is from Miss Phyllis in Arlington. She has those dark lesions on a green tomato, Mr. D. Would you still eat that?
Yeah,
Okay.
I would peel it off.
You peel it off?
And it's common. What rain check is that? One of the sometimes when you get cool rains on tomato plants, it can actually cause some spots like that. They call it rain check.
Rain check. First of all, I heard that.
Rain check, and
I thought it was one of the bacterial speck or one of the blights could cause that.
Black, some of the blights. The black shoulder is another term that's used, but I don't think it's anything to worry about. More commonly seen on organic grown, tomatoes, I think. So it's a complex layer that can. But it really doesn't look like the lesions on late blight or early blight lesions.
Because you had those concentric rings.
It doesn't have it doesn't have that. And that's what I was wanting to say.
Right.
But then I started doing a little research, and the rain check is the thing that came up.
New to me. Okay.
And I'd never heard of that either.
Okay.
But it's called rain check, and it's something to do with cool rain hitting exposed tomatoes.
Ah, okay.
They're exposed, and then the sun comes out, and maybe kind of like a sun scald almost.
Right.
And so it's kind of an environmental situation. But as far as it going into causing any damage to that tomato, I mean, you probably wouldn't want to eat that, but you can peel it off and look underneath, and if everything underneath there looks okay,
Go ahead.
Yeah, it sounds good to me. Okay. Yeah, that's new to me though. Never heard that one before. But yeah, environmental issue. Probably more of a cosmetic issue as well. Right. You just go ahead and take that skin off, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
I think it'll be good. And we've had, of course, the pop-up showers. I saw a little cracking on there, from those showers that we get.
Well, usually when you have a dry period followed by pretty heavy rains, this is one of the characteristics of when that is more likely to occur.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.